Hey there, welcome back again to Grandpa Teaches. I want to take a couple minutes to explain to you a little bit about why I'm doing what I'm doing, using a story that just occurred over the past week. A good friend of mine came back from vacation and went to wash his clothes, and unfortunately the washing machine would not drain the water. So he called me up, went over and grabbed the manual that was underneath the washer attached to it, and went through some diagnostics. It is a newer washing machine. I believe it's only a little over a year, or maybe it's a little over 2 years, but it had just gone out of warranty. So went through the diagnostics and found out that it is indeed the drain pump that had gone bad. So did a little bit more research to find out what the cost of it would be. Tried to get it locally, but none of the stores carried it. So ended up buying it online at Amazon and got a great price, less than $50 including shipping. So came in, replaced the pump, and his washing machine is working 100% again. Now, it took me, including the time to turn the water off and disconnect the hoses to make sure, and of course the power, so I didn't get zapped, and to replace the pump and put the new one on took less than a half an hour. Very simple to do, but had I not done these troubleshooting steps for him, he was going to call a repairman, which probably would have cost him $100 or more to come in and troubleshoot it, let alone replace it. So his other alternative would have been to buy a new washing machine. This one was over $500, maybe $600. So for the $50 and maybe an hour's worth of time it took to troubleshoot and replace the pump, saved himself by having to buy another washing machine, spending another $500-600 for a new one. These are the things that I am trying to help other people understand and learn how to do on their own, so they know that, well, just because it's broken or it's not working the way it's supposed to, I don't need to buy a new one. Maybe I can go through and do a little bit of troubleshooting and figure it out myself. Most of these things are not hard to do. In this case, the drain pump was 3 bolts and the hose connection. So really easy, and I'm sure that if you looked online, you could find somebody showing you how to do that on YouTube. I didn't take you through doing that because it was specific. It was a specific brand and model, but I did want to relate this story just so you understand where I'm coming from and what I'm trying to help others do, which is to save money and also save people from throwing away things that are good or could be made good again with very little time and money. So until next time, don't forget to subscribe so you can see the next video where I'm actually going to show you how to do something or give you some insight into one area that may be of interest. Again, don't forget to subscribe, and I look forward to seeing you on the flip side. Till then, Grandpa Jim is signing off.